welcome to the Sulimed channel about cars. So on this channel we are busy with the Hyundai Atos. We're changing coolant, we're changing air filter. Oil filter oil already has been changed, just that it's not documented. So that's what we'll be showing you today. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Enjoy. So now I want to clean. Look at the radiator cap here. See how dirty it is, and so is the water as well. So I'm just gonna pour water here, and then because the radiator pipe already is out there, so the water will come out. So I'm trying to actually clean this thing so that at least it has like clean water. So I'm pouring water here, but it's coming out from the radiator from there. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. So I'm basically trying to make sure that the coolant that I'm gonna put here, it's gonna be clean. I want you to see this. I don't know if you've noticed. So before this, I was actually cleaning here. See on the cap. Look at that cloth. All of this dirt is from here. So I'll try to clean as much as I can, and then at least put the clean coolant here. So yeah, let's continue. So on this car, I already changed the oil filter, but I did not change the air filter. So that's what I want us to change, because last time I checked it, it was bad. Yeah, it was bad. It was bad. Let's change it. I bought a new one. Let's check this one out. Look at it. It's bad, man. It's bad. And then, look. Yeah. I know it's bad. Let's check the new one. Let's see. So this is the new one. Then you'll be able to see the difference. Some people, man, don't take care of their cars, and it's just so unfortunate that we buy cars from such people. But what can I say? For me, it's actually a good opportunity for me to negotiate, to be able to get a cheaper price. Because certain people, they don't take care of their cars. And when you ask when was the last time you serviced the car? Oh, not so long. Recent to service the car. When you check, then you find these things. Look at the new one. It's just this thing right here, you know. Look at the new one. See how clean? That one used to be like this. See the difference? Yeah, there. So this one used to be like this. Yeah. Anyway, we don't judge. Let's bleed the system. See, it's on hot. Yeah. Here if it's blowing like hot air, and it is already. It is blowing hot air. Yeah, no, it's very hot.